Solve each fact. Use the distributive property to solve. Again, use that distributive property to solve. Solve for each unknown variable. Four friends decide to share a cab to go to the mall. If they each spent $6, how much did the cab ride cost altogether? The shopkeeper in the bookstore arranges the boxed set of books as shown to the right. If each box contains 9 books, how many books are there? Rose has 6 pieces of yarn that are 9 centimeters long. Sasha gives Rose a piece of yarn. Now Rose has a total of 81 centimeters of yarn. What is the length of the yarn that Sasha gives Rose? Treasure buys 34 stickers. She gets 38 stickers from her little sister. Treasure puts 9 stickers on each page. If she uses all of her stickers, how many pages does she put stickers on? Solve each problem.